Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have another witchy unboxing for you. It's the SugarMuses Handcrafted Magic. This is from SugarMuses, and this is their deluxe, I believe. And they also have the Midnight Muses, which I believe comes out this month as well. But this is August's. This is every other month. So I am slicing it open. And we're going to take a peek to see what it looks like. Ooh. My nose is a little clogged. But it does smell. It smells nice. Whatever scent I'm getting. So, for August 2022, this theme is green magic. Very cool. So we'll go over that last. The first thing we have is a beautiful green magic. It looks like a nice Book of Shadows sheet. Goes over different things. Green magic called or what it does. Very beautiful. Very green magic-y. Ooh, we have another one. And this one is beautiful. You can see the image of the trees like in a female aspect. Wow. Very cool. You see that? Isn't that beautiful? So we got two pretty sheets. And then we have this, which she puts our oracle or tarot in it. And I just wanted to show you each month they change everything to match the theme. So the paper even changes. So let's, oh, and this is a green witch. Very nice. Time for new glasses, because even these glasses they're not old, but I'm having trouble seeing. Oh, I have this deck. This is a really pretty deck. I think it's folk magic or something like that. And I got 3: balance, harmony, equilibrium, centered, and calm. Very pretty card. All right, let's see. Ooh, this is what it looks like when I open it. Everything seems to be like in its perfect little spot. All right. So the first thing we have is a bag of moss. And that's vibrant and green. Nice. And it's nice and stuffed. Cool. We obviously have an incense burner. Cool, it's different. And this looks like it's probably going to be incense to go with the burner. Yes, it is. Got like a lot, like 20 little sticks. 19 little sticks. All right, back to 20. I can hear my mouth. I'm sorry. So we got 20 sticks of incense in this little guy. Oh, we have a floral offering. Very pretty. Some kind of white flower. Very pretty. And then we have cute little black bag, which looks like it has a bay leaf for your intention, and then matches to burn it. Cute, right? And it's tied with a perfect little bow. I hate to even open it, but I'm dying to see what the matches look like. So I'm gonna have to open it. I hate to ruin things. And they're so pretty. Okay. There we go. So it's got like little mushrooms on it. Cute, right? And it says SugarMuses, so I'm assuming that she created these little guys. Really cute. And with the little bay leaves. Alright, the next we have pretty green bag. And it says Moss Agate. Again, tied with a nice little bow. And it's tied with black. And these are Moss Agate tumbles. Yes, they are. I guess I'll open it. I hate opening because I feel like it ruins it, but let me see if I can do it without ruining it. Let me see. We have 2 Moss Agates. And of course I ruined it, but so I'm going to stick that little tag in the bag. Because it's so cute. Now we have some black. So there's a few items more in here. Excuse me. Let's grab this one. So we have, oh. Dryad Spirit Candle. I am sorry if I butcher it because I'm really not good at pronouncing things. That's the pretty sticker that was on the tarot. Really blown up. Isn't that pretty? Alright, let's see what the inside of the candle looks like. It smells delightful and very pretty. Oh, it smells nice. Very cool. We have a couple more items. We have this baby here. And in here, we're going to have probably a perfume oil. This one is called Forest Nymph. Oh, it's beautiful. Mandarin, lavender, and white woods. The label's gorgeous. Let's see if I can get that in there so you guys can see. Isn't that beautiful? And these are big bottles. I'm dying to smell that. So let's get it going. Let it sit a minute to get into, everybody's oils are different. It smells nice. Then we have Forest Nymph Bountiful Salt. Nice jar. Let me see. Oh, that smells really good. I wish you guys can smell that. That smells so nice. We got a big item in here. Whoa. Big item. I have no idea what it is, so we're going to have to open it and find out. Need razor blade. Gently unleash this, because it is taped on my razor. Ooh, hope I didn't break it. It's dull. Please don't break anything. Okay. It's wrapped really good. Really, really good. So it's going to be a real cool surprise when I finally get it open to show you. Oh, okay. Alright. I think I do it this way. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Wow. Oh, mine is broken. Mine came in broken. I want to cry right now. Look how beautiful. She's beautiful, right? It's broken here, here, and then here. I'm mad. I only got this little piece here. The rest are missing. Maybe I'll just glue it. I don't know if I can glue it. Let me see. Well, I'm devastated, but this is a beautiful piece. And this is the back. Oh, I'm so sad. All right, and the last two items in our box are, we have a Garden Blend organic tea and a tea bag. Okay, so let's go over the beautiful box. And it has the beautiful tree in the paperwork. Spells and rituals, the first harvest, prosperity, good fortune, balance, enjoying the fruit of our labor, tools, mortar and pestle, cauldron, cup, or chalice, essential oils, harvesters, herbs, or trees. Gods and goddesses are Artemis, Cernunnos, Demeter, Dionysus, Dryads, Gaia, Pan, and Rai. And the direction is the north. Green magic utilizes energy, the power of nature, and focuses on healing, folk crafts, botanicals, and spell work and charms. Botanicals. So sorry, I don't know why I say that. Working with the elements, trees, and wildlife. A green witch knows how to use plants, herbs, flowers, and crystals, and feels a strong connection to every living creature. They may also be a kitchen witch, hedge witch, or solitary witch, and someone who works with the land spirits and celebrates the seasons. The term green is also associated with the fairy magic and all nature-based spirituality. The green craft is practical, grounded, and earth-based, and is sacred and is found in everyday life. When working with green magic, to get a gift, you must give a gift. Example, if you're harvesting flowers or plants and herbs, prune them, you leave something. You don't take more than a quarter of the plant and offer a gift of spring water, crystal, in place of what you're taking. Scatter some crushed eggshells around the plant to store energy. Collect the botanicals. At the end of the full moon, when the moon is full, it draws energy from the uppermost part of the plant. When it's the new moon, energy is found deep within the roots and seeds. All right, so she writes a ritual. So I'm just going to look at the items that we got. Purifying self, forest nymph, botanical salt. It's good for cleansing, casting your circles, and purifying baths. Mixed with water, they can be used for purification of the circle, and on their own, they used to represent the element of earth on your altar. The salts are infused with dried calendula and lavender, and scented with cassis, blonde woods, and cypress essential oils. Preparing the altar. Your matcha incense sticks. These are matcha incense sticks with the wooden incense holder. Is good for health, energy, cleansing, and good fortune. On the back is the rest of the ritual, calling your quarters, invoking the blessing, energy, and spell work. All right. The Dryad statue that is broken is created out of resin. Represents the spirit of the Dryad. Dryad is a tree nymph or tree spirit in Greek mythology. The Greek words dries meant oak, and the term Dryad initially only applied to those nymphs who were spirit of oak trees. In time, however, the word became a term for all tree nymphs. Known to grant wishes if you leave an offering such as crystals, vine wreaths, or spring water. Trees connect Mother Earth and Father Sky. Their roots teach us the importance of grounding and stability. Flower offering, the tumble tree agate. I thought it was moss agate. Am I nuts? Because tree agate is different than moss agate. Alright, so I believe that's a mistake. It's moss agate. Bay leaf mini manifestation kit, which is this guy here with the little bay leaves. Additional spell work. The art prints are by Christie, which is beautiful. The forest spirit art and the green magic. The universal folk magic is the Universal Folk Oracles by Anita. It's a really good, awesome deck if you guys are interested. Really nice. What else? That's everything, right? Oh, the candle, and the tea. Let's see what the candle is made out of. The tea is green garden blend. Tea contains jasmine, health and prophecy, fae magic, and green tea. And then the candle, it's gotta be before the quarters. It's gotta be over here. Then you got the Reindeer Moss, which I almost forgot about this one. It's good for luck, abundance, protection, strength, and grounding. Often used in fairy magic. The oil, this beautiful oil, which we already know. I already told you what's in that. I'm just looking for the candle, and I can always never find things when looking for them. Next to tea. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to... Anyway, so what do you guys think of this beautiful box? I always love her boxes. I don't see the candle. Oh, there it is. Focus on dancing the flames. I'm not seeing what's in it. Okay, well, let's just move on. So, green magic for August. My favorite item is obviously the broken nymph. I'm going to try to glue it and color the top in. I don't know if we all get the same ones, but let me know. That's beautiful. And my second favorite item in here is the oil. Let me know, guys, what you think. I'll leave you the information about this box in the description below. And look for my next box, which should be Midnight Muses for August as well, from SugarMuses. Have a great day, guys.